2 days have passed and fire continues to gobble up the Divisoria Mall in Manila. But firefighters says the blaze has been contained and will eventually run out in 3 to 4 more days. More from Freddy Abando.
The fire, which started past midnight of May 16 at the Divisoria Mall, is still a raging inferno. There's no telling when it will end, even as firefighters from all over Metro Manila are deployed to put out the fire. Firefighters are finding it difficult to stop the blaze, which has engulfed the 5-story structure. Heavy smoke is taking its toll. The lack of breathing equipment has prevented firefighters from entering the mall. If the smoke is gone, it will speed up putting out the fire.
Itong status ng sunog, medyo pababa din sa pababa. So, siguro within this period of time na pwede na natin pasukin yung ibang lugar. So, kaso lang, yung mga area na may buhos ng init, medyo nahirapan yung mga bumiro kasi unang-una kulang tayo sa self-contained breathing apparatus or ECBA.
The mall houses hundreds of tenants selling all kinds of items and articles. There are also food stalls and merchants selling uniforms and school supplies. There is very little hope of recovering anything from their stores. Many of the store owners are worried their livelihood is lost forever.
Tsaka yung usok, siyempre, hindi makalapit yung mga tao dito, natatakot sila.
Saka hindi nasasabi kung meron na.
Oo.
Hindi ko naman nakalaing magkaganyan. Dati nasusunog naman kami pero hindi ko makalat ng ganyan. Sa tabi ko lang, likod ko, paputok. Pero hindi ako nadamay.
Malaki nga ito. Saka hindi tumatagal ng ganito.
Hindi rin po. Miyerkules po ng alas 12. Hanggang ngayon, ilang araw na, pero ganyan pa rin.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando report.